the reviving history, creative way to repurpose old door in a home decor and a furniture. In today's world, where sustainability and uniqueness are highly valued, repurposing old items has become a trend in home decor and furniture design. One such versatile item that holds immense potential for creativity in the humble old door. With its character-rich wood, intricate design, and the historical charm, an old door can be transformed into a stunning centerpiece or functional furniture pieces, adding personality and history to an space. Let's explore some creative way to repurpose old door in your home decor. Transform an old door into a rustic masterpiece by hanging it on a prominent wall in your room, and you can also make a beautiful bench and a chair that is prominent in this video. You can cut the pieces into a desired shape and join them to make a beautiful desired centerpiece. Give your bedroom a unique focal point while repurposing an old door as a headboard, chair, and the repurposing old door in a home decor and furniture not only adds a touch of history and characters to your space, but also promote our sustainability by giving a new life to a discarded item. For rustic wall art to a functional furniture and the dining table and the living room table and the functional furniture pieces, the possibilities are endless when it comes to incorporating old door into your home decor. So next time you can cross an old door, don't discard it. You can make a beautiful living room table, and even you can make a beautiful centerpiece table in your living room and get creative and give it a new purpose in your home decor. Repurposing an old door in decor and furniture offer numerous benefits, both practical and aesthetics. Here are some of the key advantages. Repurposing old door reduces waste by giving them a new life. Instead of adding a landfill waste, it will help to reduce your carbon footprints. It promotes sustainability by conserving resources and minimize the need for a new material. Old door add a character and charm to your home decor, providing a unique touch that cannot be replicated with mass-produced furniture. Each door carries its own history and style and story, adding a depth and interest to your space. Purchasing a new furniture and the decor item, old door can often be acquired for little or no cost, and the material needed for repurposing are usually affordable and readily available. Customization. Old door offer endless possibility of customization, and whenever you prefer a rustic vintage look for a more modern aesthetic, you can tailor or repurpose this door to suit your style preference through painting, staining, and distressing or adding a social ambience. Old door can be repurposing into a wide range of furniture pieces, decor items including table, headboard, room divider, shelving unit, and many more.